Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about CryptoPizza. CryptoPizza is an Ethereum game based on ERC 721 token. So before going to CryptoPizza, we have to learn about what is DApp. Now, when creating an Ethereum smart contract, it's useful to create a web application for users to interact with. We call this application DApps. These are web application backed by Ethereum smart contracts. Instead of using centralized server or database, these applications rely on blockchain as a backend for program logic and storage. Now, there are some common features of DApps. First one is open source. That means ideally it should be governed by autonomy and all the changes must be decided by the consensus or a majority. Its code base should be available for scrutiny. The second one is decentralized. That means all records of apps operation must be stored on a public and decentralized blockchain to avoid pitfall of centralization. The third one is incentivized. That means validators of the blockchain should be rewarded by the cryptographic token. And in the fourth one, protocol, here the application community must agree on a cryptographic algorithm. Now DApps typically use JavaScript convenience library. Here we are using web3.js that provide an API to make integrations with smart contract easier for developer. Now what is token? The primary difference between Ethereum and any other cryptocurrency is that it's not just a currency. It is an environment. Here anyone can take advantage of blockchain technology to build their own project and DApps through smart contracts. Now Ethereum tokens are simply digital assets that are built on top of the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts. So you may have some question that if all these DApps are made in the Ethereum network, then why don't we simply use Ether to pay for every transaction within those DApps? So the answer is pretty simple. Even in real life, there are tons of places where you use a token over cash. Let me explain with one example. When we go to any activity park, then we took our money and give this money to the counter, and they give us some coupons which we use to gain access to all the rides in the park and to buy food. In this example, the activity park is DApp, our money is Ether, and the coupon is token. Now token can serve many purposes such as stablecoin or to track a point system or even to represent shares of voting rights over a project. By representing things as tokens, we can allow smart contracts to interact with them, exchange them, create or destroy them. So there are different kinds of token. Before understanding non-fungibility, we need to understand what is fungibility. And there are two main properties of fungibility. First one is interchangeability. You can just interchange or replace units of fungible asset. Suppose your $20 bill and my $20 bill represent the same thing and can be interchanged. Another example is that 1 kg gold bar is equal to another 1 kg gold bar. They represent the same value and can be interchanged. The second property is quantity. That means you can merge units of fungible asset to get higher value in quantity. For example, you can add up multiple kgs of grains to find that it becomes in higher quantity. Now, non-fungibility, that means here token represents a unique token which can't be interchanged with other token. So you can't divide or add up to get higher quantity because every unit is unique and you can't replace or interchange it with other asset. For example, two pieces of land, they are both fungible regarding their location. So in fungible tokens, each individual tokens was interchangeable and distinguishable from each other, and non-fungible tokens are a particular type of token used when individual token must be unique and distinguishable from others. While fungible tokens can be useful as currencies or shares of a company, the non-fungible tokens can be used to represent ownership of a real estate, because no two houses are the same, and some other cases like collectibilities of digital art. Okay, so now what is ERC 721 token? It is actually a standard in the Ethereum token which enables non-fungible token on the Ethereum blockchain. Just like the ERC20 token standard helps to creating fungible tokens, here ERC 721 focuses on the non-fungible asset design. Now, let me explain one game in Ethereum platform called CryptoPizza using the ERC 721 token standard. The goal of the CryptoPizza project is create a unique collectible token. Now write a smart contract that conforms to a token standard, and then import contracts and implement smart contract inheritance. And the final one is the build a web application that interacts with your smart contract. Okay. So let me explain the Ethereum Studio ID first. So first go to the studio.ethereum.org. There are different project templates over here. I am choosing the CryptoPizza NFT. So first you click the create project section. Okay, the project is created. Now Ethereum Studio is a web-based IDE where we can write, deploy, and test smart contracts and build front-end application to interact with them. On the left side of this IDE, you can find the Explorer panel. Here you can view the file structure of your project. On the right side of this IDE, you can find the preview panel where you can view this project application in the browser tab. Okay. So the smart contracts of this CryptoPizza game is written in the cryptopizza.sol file. So every smart contract runs at an address on the Ethereum blockchain. So you must compile and deploy a smart contract to an address before it can run. Now you have to first deploy the project by using this rocket sign. Now click to the deploy section. Okay. So here I can create my pizza. There are two options. One is create new and second one is inventory. Now look at the inventory sections. Right now there is no pizzas are there. Okay. So I have to create a new one. Now give a name to this pizza. Cheese pizza. Now I'm creating my pizza. Creation successful. Now go to the inventory section. So my cheese pizza have been created with some unique ID. Okay. So let's make another pizza. I'm creating another veg pizza. In the inventory section, you can check. Right now there are 2 pizzas, one veg and one cheese pizza. They're looking delicious. Now I'm creating another one. Now I am creating tomato pizza. So actually, when I click the create icon here, then in the backend, the create random pizza JavaScript function is running, which calls the cryptopizza.solve function in the same name. The string the user sets in the form input field, it is used in the generate random DNA with in association with Ethereum address is used to create a unique token. Okay, so in the inventory section, I'm just checking. So 3 pizzas have been created. Okay. Now there are 2 options. One is gift and another is eat. If I eat a crypto pizza, that means the inventory triggers the JavaScript to call the burn contract function, which destroys the token with the specific ID. Now just click at the eat section. So it is giving some message. So here pizza is gone. If I check the inventory section, now in my inventory there are veg pizza and tomato pizza. Okay, so the cheese pizza I have eaten it. Now if I want to give this pizza, then I have to give this pizza to another account. Here my account is default account. I can create another new account. Here there is another account 1, and I can create account 2. So at the top right of the ID, now click to the copy address, the paper icon over here. Okay, I am copying the address of account 2, and in the gift section I am pasting it. Okay. So I have gifted the veg pizza to the account 2. Now if I check the inventory of the account 2, let's check. Now if I check the inventory of the account 2, there is only one veg pizza with the same ID, right? So here there are again 2 options, gift and eat. So I can transfer this pizza to another account. So what these pizzas are actually is, these pizzas are actually the tokens, non-fungible tokens that I can create and I can transfer, or even I can destroy. So in this session, we have learned about gaming application CryptoPizza using 721 token standard. Thank you.